JD Gravity RC here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about my testing of my theory about flying with the Quanum type of goggles versus the Fatshark type of goggles. So I flew with the Quanum V2 Pro today with my SKX251 with Yixin TX02, and I also flew that with my Fatshark Predator version 2, and I had no problem flying with the Fatshark Predator version 2, but I did have a problem with flying the Quanum type of goggles. Although the picture looks big in front of you, but it's quite hard to look at the total picture and try to move the quad around. So that's why I got into a bit of trouble and I crashed into a tree. And you can see in the following video where the first part is my flight video and the second part is my drone recovery video. So like I said, it's much easier to fly with a Fatshark type of goggle because you're looking at a big picture few meters in front of you, so you can have a look at the big picture, so you can move the quad around pretty well. But whereas with this one, you're basically looking at the big screen right in front of you. So if you're not able to fly with looking at the LCD screen, then you can't fly with this. And also the colors don't look nice. It looks very sparse. So the details are not there. So it's much harder to look at the space around you and to move the quad around. So that's why I crashed into a tree. So my preference is to use the Fatshark type of goggles instead of the Quanum type, even if you're free flying in the open field, because this is really hard to move the quad around the sky, and you tend to crash more than using this type of goggles. So I haven't really crashed with using this Fatshark type of goggles, but first time out with this one I crashed. So it's up to you to decide, but that's my preference. I definitely think that this type of goggles is much better than the Quanum type of goggles. So hope you guys like and enjoy my drone recovery video. So You go away. Huh? I take my controller. Where is it?
Wait, chuck it.
Oh.
Do it like directly above you and then run away.
Uh-huh. Can you give me the control?
I'm gonna get a weird tan line.
It's almost down. Nessa.
Oh, you got it down. You lost the bro. Did you?
Yeah. But see if you can find this. See if you can find the nut.
Hmm?
This one. This thing.
What?
The nut.
Is it black?
Yeah. It's somewhere here.
Did you hear it fall?
Yeah.
Ooh.